Hello everyone, welcome to this Windows channel, and basically this is a new build. Windows Insider Preview 17115 has been released to the fast ring. So another build, very fast in releasing builds lately, and it shows that basically we are getting closer and closer to 1803. So it's available in the fast ring. Check it now. I will be reviewing it probably later today as time permits. So we'll be checking it out. I don't expect to have really new features in here, but you never know. And we'll be checking out also what the bug fixes and also the problems that there might be with this latest version of Windows 10 1803. So check it out. Head on to your Windows updates and fire up your Insider machines. It's available right now. Windows 10 Insider Preview 17115.